Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and taking the time to visit with me. Hopefully you're not too busy because we all know how we could get distracted with YouTube, right? I'm going to be sharing a TN layout documenting my son's golden ticket. So my son goes to middle school, and oh, if you're new to my channel, you guys, I just end up telling you the stories and nothing about the videos. So if you guys have any questions, just leave me a comment below, and I respond as soon as I can. But anyways, back to the story. uh, my son goes to middle school, and his school gives tickets that are earned by the students. The tickets are given by a faculty staff or by a teacher, which is the same thing. Well, not exactly the same thing, but it could be given by a teacher, by faculty staff. And basically, they have to catch the kid doing something good, something nice for somebody, or just being on the honor roll, or having, like good grades, or like doing something remarkable. And so right now, even though you see that goofy picture of my son, that picture has been laying around for like a few days, okay? I just needed to find a home for it. So I decided to combine that goofy picture with the actual small picture that you guys will see in a little bit. It's like a 2x2. And I'm going to bring that in like a little bit, a few minutes. But that 2x2 picture is actually the focus of this layout, because I took that picture of all the tickets that he's been accumulating. Now most of the tickets are like I said, for like the simple things, but the golden ticket, which is really yellow, but we're gonna call it golden, is worth more points. And I believe every Friday they get to cash these tickets in, and then they get like a prize. Now it's little kid prices, you guys. Sometimes, like for the white tickets, it's like a Snicker bar or a bag of chips or something free that they could go cash in. But the golden ticket, like I said, is worth more. And I believe that the more you accumulate, like the bigger the price, basically. So I wanted to document the fact that he earned a golden ticket. Now, I was super proud because the golden ticket was for actually stopping a fight at school, you guys. And I'm just super proud. Like, I cannot believe that at like that age, which there's been, like, as a mom, you kind of know, and there's been some comments that he's mentioned that makes me worry. Like, when he grows up, he's gonna put himself in danger trying to save other people, and like it kind of scares me. But we're not there yet. So, and hopefully he stays on the right track. But I do believe that, honestly, maybe it's the soldier in us. If you're new and you don't know, my husband Mike and I are like veterans, and it's the soldier in us. It's the morals that we're raised with, the values that our parents passed on to us, and I feel like we're trying to, instill those in our kids. And so when the fight broke out at school, what do kids immediately do? Like a majority take out the phones, cell phones, and start recording it, or they start egging on the people fighting. And the teacher said there was probably one or two other kids that were like, hey, you need to like stop or whatever. And of course my son was one of them. And later on I found out that he didn't just like pull them apart. He actually like got in the middle while the punches were swinging, and broke it off. And of course then he had to go like be seen or whatever and give his statement to the teachers. Eventually a teacher did come and obviously handled the situation from there. But I was just super proud of my kid because, again, I feel like they weren't instilling that mentality of, um, like, okay, we're not going to be victims, we're not going to be bullies. And that concept from American Sniper. I don't know if you've seen that movie where it says that there's three type of people: the sheep, the wolves, and then the sheepdogs. And that's the closest that I could relate it to. I would like to think that we are the middle people, the sheepdogs, and stand up for what is right. So like I said, I was just wanting to document this because it is something that I'm really proud. Of course, when your kids get recognized at school for behavior like this, it just reassures you that as a parent you're doing the right thing. So anyways, that was the whole story behind that. And I'm almost done with the layout. I am going to be rearranging this, and actually I should tell you that I ended up changing a few things after I stopped filming because I wasn't 100% sure on the title of the page. So at the end of the video you guys are gonna see the picture where I actually document and write what I needed to write and then put the correct title. So this is me just fixing the little background for the picture, and I know it's super small, but it, like, trust me, it captures all the tickets that he's earned and continues to earn. So for this title, I was gonna use that rub-on sticker that says I am a fan, because of course I was a fan of his behavior and how he is as a person. And I started rubbing it off, and I accidentally, without even paying attention, didn't notice that it was actually rubbing some of the part on the top, and that's where you guys see me trying to take it off. I tried to use white gel pen to kind of hide it, and then I used the black outline on the outside pages trying to hide it as well. And I left it like that, but I wasn't super happy. So like I said, in a little bit you guys, you are gonna see the picture that shows the final product, how I ended up keeping it. The only thing that changed was the title, and I ended up just documenting what I wrote. So that was basically it, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.